Last time we have to consult with the constitutions. How could we use for the Indian constitution whenever he started and other thinkings. So we have to continue the Indian constitution's key features. First, by the beginning of the 20th century, the Indian national movement had been active in the struggle for independence for British rule for several decades. During the freedom struggle, the nationalities has devoted a great deal of time to imagining and planning what a free Indian would be like. If you know, there was an extraordinary scenes of the unity amongst for the member of constitutions in British rule. So we have to decade this. Okay, then under the British, they had been forced to the obey rules that they had very little role in making the long experience of authoritarian authoritarian rule under the colonial state convinced Indian that feel free India should be a democracy in which everyone should be treated equally and be allowed to participate in government. If you know what, first and foremost, what is the constitutive rule, it lay down ideals and define the kind of country that we want to live in. Okay, so this is the democratic government. Okay, so he would be determining the functionaries, then was done not by one person but by a group of around 300 people who became member of Constitution Assembly in 1946, who met periodically for the next 3 years to write Indian Constitution. This is the member of the Constituent Assembly had a hug task before them. Okay, so this is the who spoke different language, belonging different religious, different cultures. So they have to write it in a simply Indian Constitution. So we have go through the assembly and we go through the democratic government. Okay, then we continue. These member of Constitution's Assembly has a hard task before them. The country was made up of several different communities who spoke different language, belonged to different religions, and has distinct cultures. We talking about some few time later. Then also when the constitution was being written, India was going through the considerable turmoil. The partition of the country into India and Pakistan was imminent. Some of the presently state remained undecided about their future and the socio-economic condition of the vast mass of people appearing dismal. If you know that कि जो trying and understand keys है वो belonging for the certain idols and rules. So we have to keep through the some constitution main points. So the get translate in the certain idols and rules. So we have to go for some key features in Indian Constitution. So we have to use the main Indian Constitution periodically 3 years. Okay. All of these issues played on the mind of member of Constitutional Assembly as the drafted the Constitution. How could the making? Okay. They rose to the occasion and gave this country a visionary document that reflect a respect for maintaining diversity while preserving national unity. The final document also reflect their concern for the eradicating poverty through socio-economic reform as well as emphasizing the crucial role the people can play in choosing their जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. सो जो भी मतलब रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं उनको मतलब चूज़ करने का पूरा हक हमारे को होता है. साइको जो कि हम एक तरीके से साइको इकोनॉमिक्स रिफॉर्म को एक तरीके से लीड करते हैं अबव द मेंशन ऑफ कंसर्न डाइवर्सिटी. सो दिस इज द साइको इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म द रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैट द other documents were the grappling with. Okay, so we have to try understand what is the way of the triad balance, so concerned with their the commitment. Okay, and this there were the some commitment to the transforming independent into a strong democracy society. Okay, when we go through The federalism, this refers to the extent of more than one level of government in the country. In India, we have government at the state level, at the center. Panchayati Raj is the third tier of government, and you have read about this in your class 6th book. We looked at the functionary of the state government in your class 7th book, and this year will be read more about the सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, जो भी केंद्र सरकार है उसके बारे में आपको प्रॉपर वे में आपने पंचायती राज के बारे में भी, जो हमारा थर्ड टायर है गवर्नमेंट का, उसके बारे में आपने क्लास 6 में भी पढ़ा होगा। एंड जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट राज्य सरकार है हमारे, उसके बारे में आपने 7th में पढ़ा होगा। और अब दैट टाइम यू हैव टू रीड दिस वेरी केयरफुली अबाउट द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, और यही चीज़ अब हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के भी बारे में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं। दिस वास्ट नंबर ऑफ कम्युनिटीज़ इन इंडिया मीन दैट अ सिस्टम of government needed to be devised that did not involve only persons sitting in the capital city of New Delhi.